We are back for day 2 of Survival Series.
Skip BEDELL here with products that could save your life, including, and this is great, if there's no cell service in your neighborhood because the juice is out, what are you going to do?
One of these guys. This is the 67i, the map by Garmin. This is amazing. So I'll press the button. I'll show you. We have a map on here. This not only is a GPS location, you can SOS from anywhere in the world. You can show people where you are if you're on a trip. But most importantly, you have full satellite communication. So if there's no cell service, the power goes down no matter where you are on the planet. As long as you can see the sky, you can communicate via text message.
Awesome.
So you still have to charge it, though.
Yeah, you have to charge it, and of course, you can use this as well. This is a mini. This is a little mini text message communicator. Basically does the same thing, only without the screen and the GPS.
Plus you need service, satellite service.
Yeah, you gotta have a satellite service, but no cell, so it works from anywhere in the world, keeps communications open.
Okay.
Super important.
Speaking of the sun.
Guys, my friends from 4PATRIOTS, I love these guys. First, I'm gonna talk to you about real quickly. This is a solar go-free, just like a cooler, but requires no ice. It works on the power of the sun from solar panels.
I love that.
You charge it up, you take it with you. You have refrigeration anywhere you go. So even if there's no power, you can keep your food and your medical supplies cold. Speaking of cold, this is a cooler slash filter. I love this thing. So it's a 5-gallon bucket that has a spigot at the bottom. You use this bucket to fill up water. You can take it from the lake, from a mud puddle, from anywhere.
Seriously?
Because it's got these ceramic filters inside. So when you pour the water into this, what comes out the other end is completely pure filtered water.
Could you use seawater?
Well, I don't know about salt water, but you can absolutely take a lake water or from a river.
That is so cool.
That's amazing.
So, next thing, the car emergency all-in-one kit. So basically, you have these 3 things that come in this handy tote. You have emergency power that has a jump start kit, allows you to jump your battery, and a compressor to pump up your tires. You have emergency food and water supply. We heard about so many people perishing over the winter. They got frozen in their cars, right? Emergency first aid kit, heating blankets, things like this, like a puck light that you can be found in the snow. All the things that you need to keep warm and keep safe. And when you're all done with them, they all fit right inside this awesome organizer that goes right in your trunk, and you keep it all organized. I love it.
Nice.
Genius.
Final stop.
Right.
Final stuff, real quick. It's a speed round. I love this thing. It's a sun kettle. You fill it up with water like a thermos. You put it out in the sun, and it'll boil water for you. Take it with you. Now you have hot boiling water that you can use to mix your emergency food. You can use to have a cup of coffee.
Even in the winter?
Anytime. As long as you got the sun, it uses the power of the sun to boil the water.
That is so cool.
For more information, go to scottbedell.com.
Absolutely.
Skip BEDELL.
Scott.
Scott's my brother.
Yeah.